Right everyone, so today's video is all about testing out the new trend sanding discs. They are the mesh version. I'm going to be using 80p, okay. I am not using a disc saver. I think it's a sponge that goes on the back, goes in between. I don't have one, so I'm just going to test it. But these are kind of see-through, so better dust collection, and apparently they last a lot longer than just the standard pads. So I'm going to be testing the 80 grit, and this is the type that I'm using, okay? So as you can see down at the bottom, I've started a little angle there, okay? So when we have a trim that goes on top of the angle door, so if I turn the camera around, we have got an understairs unit going here. So the tip of the door is going to be directly underneath that top trim. So as you open the door, the back of that door would be touching. So what we do, our technique, is to sand an angle on. Some people cut the corner off and put that piece back in, but because it's a shake style door, I don't think it will look great. I'm not a fan of that technique anyway. So I like to go for the flush look, all the doors look the same from the front. So all we need to do is take that chunk off. Can you see what I've drawn in? It's kind of like an angle, leaving about 3mm on the front face and sanding that back, about 50mm back, okay. I can't really describe any other way of doing that, but you can put it up against your carcass and work out where the trim is going to hit your piece. But yeah, there we go. That is roughly the angle, just over 45 degrees, I guess. On this demo, I'm going to be using the cordless 5-inch sander, okay, with the same disc I just mentioned. Okay, so I'm sanding this in real time. I'll move the camera around, but let's see how quick it takes to sand and how well this sanding disc does to take this corner off this door. So I've got my 3mm there. I don't want to go any more than that. But I think I might go back a little bit further to be safe, because we don't want the door to hit the trim. This is actually really nice, properly nice. No rounding, it's just sanding it dead flat. You can just tell it's just chomping through it with no problem at all. I might keep on going, just this is kind of like an estimate really of how far I need to go. Wow, properly surprised about that. That is absolutely dead flat. Yeah, just brought Sean over and he's had a little look and he's like, bloody hell, that is pretty flat. That is so nice. You know, properly, like dead level, dead flat, all over. So it's not going over in any corner. You could just tell that it's just cutting through. You could just see the sanding disc hasn't been touched really. That will go on for hours and hours doing that same procedure. But there we go. I think I'm happy with that. Perfect. I am super happy with that. Went probably a little bit more than I needed to. But if you are having the same problems of how to close your door without this top corner hitting the trim, because if the trim is directly above the angle, this is the top of the door, very close, and it's not a step back. If it's not a step back trim and the door is forward of the carcass, if the trim is flush with the door or further forward, you need to do this or cut the corner off the top of the door. But that is it. It's a nice sharp corner. Happy with that. Overall, my first impressions are, wow, absolutely fantastic. Seriously, chomps through it in no time and hasn't even touched the disc. Yeah, so well recommended, and very happy with the job. So there we go. It's the mesh sanding discs, the 125 for the 125 trend sander. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Let me know what you think. Let me know why you, if you do, cut that square off rather than doing this technique, because this is definitely my preferred method. Can't see a cut at the front, and can you imagine we had a cut here? It would look pretty awful in my opinion. So happy that I've done it this way. Other than that, guys, have a great Friday. Let me know your thoughts, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all the usual. Take it easy. Ciao for now.